Hello, welcome to Something Handmade. My name is Patrick. I'm so glad you're here. I'm a sculptor and I've been making original characters in a little thing I call the Industrial Evolution. I've been making characters in the Industrial Evolution for a little while now. I've made 3 of the Titans of Industry. They're called the Titans of Industry. We've got Reginald, he's an elephant. We've got Reginald, the visionary elephant. We've got Bartholemew, the merchant banker walrus. And we've got Samuel, the Terrier inventor. And these 3 became sort of a set to themselves. We're moving on to a new set, the newest character in our Industrial Evolution. It's Sylvia, the working class bear. Can't wait to tell you more about her story and to show you how she was made. We're gonna do that right now with this video. Life in the Industrial Evolution isn't easy for the working class, and it is all the more true for the lives of women and children. Long days and low pay meant that life was hard. It was certainly true for Sylvia. She and her family worked from the early hours of the morning till late in the day. Sylvia spent her whole life working in the local mill. She was a whiz with the broom. By the time she was 20, she had worked in almost every role in the mill. But it was the quiet moments with the broom where Sylvia would whistle a tune and imagine a better life. Sylvia spent most of her childhood living in the inequality of society, and when she came of age, she joined the fight for women's rights and for the vote. It was Sylvia and hardworking women like her that made a huge difference in the movement. Sylvia joined countless marches and signed petitions to fight for equality. Her love of music and joyful whistling became a source of inspiration to the movement as she wrote a few rally songs. It was the highlight of her day to hear the crowd singing her tunes, and in time, the movement led to significant social change, allowing women the right to participate fully in the political spectrum, and even led to the first female politician, a charming owl who would go on to lead great reforms. And now for the final reveal. And with that, we have finished Sylvia, the working class bear. She is just a wonderful figure. I really like the strange body proportions I chose for this, with the really stumpy legs, the really long arms. I hope that you got a kick out of how she was made, and maybe you've learned something yourself. She was really cool. I really like her. I like the story I've given her, and I hope you did too. We put out videos these days once a week at least. All sorts of stuff here on the channel. I like to make original characters. I like to make fan art. I'm also building a world, the next thing after the Industrial Evolution, when the stars fell. It's very exciting. It's going to be a whole world, and we're going to tell some really cool stories there. That's the hope anyways, fingers crossed. Make sure you check out those videos. And if you want to see more characters in the Industrial Evolution, this is the place to see them. So we've got another one coming up next. It's a pig. They are a miner, and it's very delightful. Yeah, we've got some weird pumpkins coming out this week. I'm very proud of them. I hope you check them out. Weirdpumpkins.com. That's the website. Weirdpumpkins.com. Would love to keep growing. So if you could share this video with somebody else, that would be fantastic. If you could like this video and subscribe, that'd also be pretty cool. Growth is hard on the internet. I feel like it's a weird mix of luck and good timing, and you can be my luck. But yeah, that's going to be it for us today. Thank you so much for watching. And of course, till next time, keep being awesome. Video starting now. I want to be a better YouTuber, so do I have to like add to my voice like, hey, it's me, Pat? No, that was actually more like Krusty the Clown. Hey, kids! Oh god. I rearranged my office. I did the thing I said I would. I cleaned it, and now I can take camera angles that look cooler and show off projects not yet on the channel. Spoiler alert.